The government has taken over the infra financing giant IL&FS. Top private banker Uday Kotak has been appointed as interim chairman, and the government has ordered a fraud inquiry. The financial crisis in IL&FS was triggered when the firm began to default on debt repayments worth hundreds of crores.
Around lunchtime today, in action centered around this office, the government seized control of the IL&FS board. While its failure to repay its loan in recent days didn't just rattle the firm, but also the markets and the economy, this move seems to be reassuring.
A new board, including top banker Uday Kotak, has been put in charge of IL&FS, a private infra financing company that was backed by the government. In a lengthy statement, the government has committed itself to much-needed temporary liquidity support for the IL&FS. But the battle has turned political as well. The Congress president has attacked the government, accusing it of using LIC to bail out sinking firms, money invested by small policyholders. However, the government today blamed the IL&FS crisis on the Congress. According to government sources, major problem beginning 2012, deterioration largely owing to wrong decisions and policy paralysis before 2014. The CPM Sitaram Yechury tweeted, "Privatize profits and nationalize losses is Modi's mantra, while the poor are left to rue on their own."
However, the government statement also raises questions as to why the government regulators did not act upon the IL&FS problems until the crisis exploded last August, when the company defaulted on loan payments worth hundreds of crores.
The Finance Ministry says debt stress was clearly visible for the last so many years, but was camouflaged by misrepresentation of facts. The company continued to pay dividends and huge managerial payouts regardless of looming liquidity crisis. A fraud investigation has been ordered, but none of the suspended board or management is facing any charge. Since August, IL&FS, which for decades was seen as a secure investment, fell from the AAA rating to junk status rapidly. This spooked markets, mutual funds and other investors. While the markets began to recover today, the crisis is perhaps far from over, with some comparing it to the Satyam scam a few years ago. Bureau Report, NDTV.